These 4 Roblox items are going to make me rich, and I'm going to tell you why. And you can still get these items. My first prediction is the solar system aura. Now, from a website, it looks kind of bland, but when you join in game, it completely changes. Now, in game, the sun actually glows, and it leaves like a little aura that you can see that's kind of like radiating out. The planets are kind of low poly, but this item is a particle effect item. And not only is this pretty cool, but this item is only 1,000 Robux. Now, this did just release, so I can't really see this getting any cheaper, maybe like 800. But I tell you, in a matter of a year, it's probably going to triple in price, so I think that this is a #1 candidate pick. It does have over 700,000 copies, so it is very versatile, and you do have to be careful. But with it being 1,000 Robux and actually looking so cool, I don't see why this is not a good buy. Now, the second item, which is actually one of my favorites, is the Verdant Crown. Now, this crown is absolutely sick because it has probably one of the best particle effects on Roblox. Okay, that might be a stretch, but as you can see, it is very, very noticeable. This looks like some type of like Clash Royale like item. I don't know. This is a little bit on the high side for right now. It's at 5,000 wrap, but I can definitely see this being valued. Fun fact, I'm pretty sure every particle item is valued on Roblox except for the pufferfish, and the pufferfish does look kind of ugly, so there is no way that this is not going to get valued. It has an overlasting particle, it's a neat hat, and it doesn't really cost too much, but it's just a little bit on the high side for right now. I can see definitely in a year that is valued, and it's more near like 6,000 value. Particle items are the way. It has close to 600,000 copies, so again, you have to be careful, but it does have less premium copies as the solar system, so maybe it'll do a little bit better, but who knows. But this item is definitely sick. Now, this item is another sick item. If you can take a look at this, look at how cool this particle effect is. It is like a neon radiating hollow, and it only costs 2,500 Robux for this. Even ABRC does not go into this much detail. This item is very cool. Roblox realizes that Roblox particle effect items are like really making them a lot of money, so there is a reason why they only made these items that all have particle effects limited. Roblox is not stupid, and they're here to make money, and they know that something like this, there's no telling how much this could potentially be worth in the future, and Roblox is right. Now, since this is only 2,500, I predict this to be probably 5,000 by the end of, I don't know. I mean, I'm looking at this, and this is honestly one of like the coolest like accessories I think I've probably ever seen. With only being 2,500, I think that is very versatile right now. Well, now it's close to 3,000, but still, even if that, I think that I might drop just a little bit more, but in the future, I think that this could be worth, I don't know how much. I think that this is a great investment. Now, items like this having over like what, 30,000 value, and it just looks like this, tell me how the other items would not be valued. I think that this is a very cool hat in itself. 8-bit royal crown is not that bad, but it's very simple. But the Verdant Crown over top set, which is why I believe that these items have so much potential, and show you proof that every particle item has been valued. You have the 8-bit crown, you have the 8-bit tabby cat, you have the 8-bit extra life, you have the 8-bit Roblox coin, and you have the 8-bit HP bar. These items are all valued, and they're not even really that special. I mean, it's just an HP bar, but this is worth all of those 11,000 Robux. And with more particle items coming out that are actually have like very good particles, even better than these items, there is no reason why those items will not be expensive. I am calling it right now. Someone can link me this video in a year. The items that just came out, if you didn't invest now, I don't know what you're doing. And even the secure antlers are pretty cool. I'm not sure if they'll go limited. They are very unique, but the problem is that when you're in R6, that the particle effect actually doesn't really show. Only in R15, and I'm actually too lazy to even switch that because I don't really play this game that much. But it really does suck that these items, like, I don't know, some are just bugged, like in R6, like the particle effects or the glow items, like they don't really just happen, and it's kind of annoying. But yeah, even if the antlers did go limited, they have an astonishing amount of copies, so I don't think that it'll even be worth 10k. Maybe the close of like, probably the price of like silverthorn antlers, like maybe 8,000. But if these items go limited, I think that yeah, this would be not even that bad of an item. You can actually see the particle effects in the item thumbnail and how it doesn't show up in game, which is actually pretty annoying. I'm actually really glad that Roblox is realizing how to make money. They realize that 8-bit royal crown is worth how much value? Like 30, like they know their mark, because Roblox limiteds are one of the most expensive and bought items on Roblox, probably more than like classic avatar items, let's be for real. And Roblox, like, they don't just make gift card items limited. They I don't think they've ever done that. What they have realized is that particle items are the new wave, and if we hop on the same wave, there is no reason why we can't make profit. It only matters is that don't invest too early because everything's high. Invest just a little bit later. I'm not a Roblox financial advisor. I'm not really like an inside trader, so please take my advice with a grain of salt. But as a Roblox trader for what, years, I am so confident that these items will be doing so good in the future that I have no worry. I'm mostly gonna go start hoarding some of these items, like the solar system. I think that the solar system could be pretty expensive. It is like a pretty big hat accessory, so maybe not outfit wise, but stuff like the Verdant Crown and the Skull-Aura, I think that they will do amazing. I genuinely thing WoW 7 went to the Roblox HQ, it was like, guys, you guys are not realizing, you guys are making random things limited, making random things on sale. Like, screw the NASCAR events. Let's just make these particle effect items limited and they will make money. I mean, WoW 7 is probably like the talk of the town already. Like, let's be for real. But yeah, and one more limited vesting is definitely Sinister P. Since Halloween is in 2 months, you can tell this item has went from 4,500 to over 5,600. And when October is here, it's gonna reach almost 8,000. So be smart and trade for Sinister P now while it's too late. Well, not before it's too late, I mean, because every Halloween items rise. Like, I think the pumpkin head rose, Sinister P, of course, and even other items rise a lot. Kind of like Christmas. On Christmas, everything raises. So October is a very, very, very good way to make profit. Yep. So yeah, please invest in Sinister P. It's a good item. And yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. Don't really want to make it too long, but please subscribe to Lawn Tour. I'm trying to hit 200,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. Love you guys.